trust real people, to read true stories at real self-storage facilities. We did this to show exactly what modern renters think about these sites and just how much revenue these owners and operators are missing out on by not replacing their old, outdated doors.
The storage units themselves are not as secure as you would want them to be. There's potential for bad stuff to happen at the units. We can't prove it. There are mice or rats that get into our boxes inside our unit. I don't know about proving it. They're only open during regular business hours. No access in the evenings or at night. So for people who have regular 9 to 5 work hours, their only time to access the unit would be on the weekends. I would want to be here with someone else. Definitely not a secure place. As soon as I saw the address and I saw the locations, I was like, should I meet someone there? This is really shady.